Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, which is all about yoga, nutrition, and beauty. And if you are watching my videos for the first time, then please don't forget to subscribe. This video will be about yoga asanas for improved posture and thyroid health. So let's get started with the first asana. First asana is great for improved posture, which is Vrikshasana or tree pose. In this asana, one leg is placed over the other leg's knee area. If that is not possible, you can place it a bit below knee area. Try to maintain a balance in this asana first and then lift your both hands upwards, joining both the palms of your hands. Repeat it from another side. Do it for at least 30 seconds each side. Second asana is Natarajasana, or also known as Lord of the Dance posture. Stand with the feet together and arms by your sides. Inhale and bend the right leg backwards, grasping the left foot with your left hand while simultaneously extending the right arm straight out in front. Continue raising the right arm upward until it is about 45 degrees from the floor, while lifting the left leg as high as possible with the left arm. Hold in this posture for about 1 minute. Repeat this asana from another leg. Next asana is Dhanurasana or bow pose. This asana should not be performed by people who suffer from excessive problems of spinal cord and disc. This asana helps in stimulating and stretching the thyroid gland. Lie down on your stomach with your feet slightly apart, almost parallel to your hips. Slowly fold your knees up and hold your ankles with your hand. Breathe in and lift your chest off the ground. Pull your legs up and stretch it out. You should feel the stretch on your arms and thighs. Try to maintain this posture for about 30 seconds and relax. Place both the big toes outwards. Next asana for thyroid stimulation is Ushtrasana or camel pose. For this asana, kneel down with thighs perpendicular to the floor, extending the big toes straight back, pressing down with toenails. Gently tilt the base of your head backwards and try to reach your both feet with both your hands. Try doing this asana for at least 30 seconds and then come back. If you are unable to hold your feet with both your hands, then you can try with one hand. Try doing this asana for 30 seconds each side. If you are doing this for the first time, then do not try to push your limits and try to remain content with your progress. The last asana is cat cow pose, which is great for stretch in thyroid gland, posture and flexibility to the spine. Start on your hands and knees with your wrists directly under your shoulders and your knees directly under your hips. Point your fingertips to the top of your mat. Place your shins and knees hip width apart. Start with moving into cow pose. Inhale as you drop your belly towards the mat. Lift your chin and chest and gaze up towards the ceiling. Next, move into cat pose. As you exhale, draw your belly to your spine and round your back towards the ceiling. Try to do cat cow pose in a rhythm. Repeat for at least 15 to 20 times. Hey guys, please do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more health updates.